High volume. High volume.
Come rewind me. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Not only you give me love, but make me nice, nice, nice. I feel make you mine. Girl, I love you, plus I never make you mine.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind and it's a waste. Trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we can do it in French. Wow. Eating low main, it's child for now. Child, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now. Child, child. Yeah, she making shake, breaking that bait till the bait break. Wow, yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial.
Hi fam, so we started the night with dinner and a few drinks for my homegirl's birthday. She thought that was the whole plan, but then her man surprised her with a limo, which was so cute. The view from the ride was amazing. After that, we hit the club, met up with some more friends, and just had a good time. It ended up being such a fun night, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Love you.
Who's the cute boy with the white jacket and the thick accent? Maybe it's all in my head, but I bet we have really good backhand. How you pick me up, pull down, turn me around, no, it just makes sense. How you talk so sweet when you're doing bad things, that's backhand. How you looking at me, I know what that means in my life.
The next morning.
Back home now. They didn't let me film at the store, so I just have a little clip. I'm gonna show you my jollof at the end. And come with me.
What is it really, love?
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind and it's a waste. Trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low main, it's child for now. Child, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now. Child, child. Yeah, she making shake, breaking that bait till the bait break. Wow, yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit.
High volume. High volume.
Come rewind.